Hello friends and welcome back. In this lecture we are going to discuss about abstract classes in Java. So abstract classes is an important concept in Java and we will understand it in this lecture. So abstract classes before abstract classes we have to understand about abstraction process. Abstraction is the process of hiding the implementation details. So by meaning that you will hide that whatever the code which has implemented that code we will hide from the particular user. So only what is required for a particular method we will define like that. For example, consider a system of a car and a brake system. So the brake system in a car is very complex. So you have to have multiple operations running simultaneously in order to work the braking system. But the user is provided with a simple brake pedal so that the user can press the pedal to apply the brake. He don't need to worry about how the complex is the braking system. So that is a abstraction process in which we will hide the implementation details, only provide what is necessary for the user, so the user will have a better user experience. Next thing to mention about abstract classes is abstract classes is declared with the keyword abstract. So if you provide an abstract keyword before the class, then that class will become an abstract class. And one more thing is abstract classes can have non-abstract methods as well as abstract methods. So they can have 0 to 100 percentage abstractions. So if you keep all the methods in a particular abstract classes non-abstract, then there is a zero abstraction occurring. But still, a class will be abstract class if you declare with an abstract keyword, and we cannot instantiate that particular class only when we create an extend the abstract class and create the implementation for the in particular methods, then only we will be able to achieve object creation and all the other things. And one more thing is if other methods are there in the abstract class, we have to declare them with abstract keyword. Methods should be abstract methods. And one feature I already explained is like if an abstract class contains all non-abstract methods, still that method will be this that class will be called as abstract class, and we cannot directly create object. Only through extends relationship we can able to create the new object for the particular class. So this is a way of Java to make sure that a class will always will be extended. And no, the and that's it for this section. Now let us see some programs based on abstract classes in Java. So in this program, we are going to see about abstract classes in Java. So abstract classes is a key concept in Java which we need to understand. So we are already mentioned about the abstraction process in which we will hide the implementation details from a particular user. So here in this program, we are going to use the abstract class concept. So we will have a shape as well as a different kind of shapes such as rectangle and circle to implement that abstraction relationship. So first thing which will have is an abstract class which is called as shape, which is the abstract class we are going to implement. So the first one, the thing is to understand about abstract classes is they are declared using the abstract keyword. You can see here abstract class name, like that we have to provide. And in this abstract class we can have non-abstract methods. So the call shape is a particular non-abstract method inside the particular abstract class. And we can have abstract methods. So abstract methods will start with the abstract keyword followed by the method name and the representation parenthesis. And this method you can see there is no implementation, no brackets to open brackets. There is no implementation for this method in this particular class. This is how we'll declare an abstract method. So it doesn't have any implementation. Now let us see the classes where I will extend the particular class and provide implementation for the draw method. So here we can see a rectangle class. So rectangle is a type of shape. So I will extend the particular shape class to provide that relationship. And I will override the draw method. Inside the override draw method means I am providing the implementation of the draw method for the draw method in the particular rectangle class. And in that draw method, I just print out the particular message like area calculation formula of rectangle length into breadth. So like that, I had put the values of the draw implemented the draw method. Now let us see another class which will implement the shape class. So here we have circle class. The circle class also extends the shape class. That means the abstract class shape will be implemented in this class again. So this is how we will implement here. Here the area method is again implemented, and here I am provide the implementation like pi into r in radius into radius. That is the area calculation formula for circle. One more thing to notice here is if I am not implementing the here in this level of code, if I am not implementing the draw method, I can make this class also as an abstract class, and next class which will extend this particular class can implement the draw method. That's how we can pass down the particular methods down the line also. Like that we can pass the abstract methods in a chain of inheritance. So like that also we can follow a pattern. So now let us see the main method where I am invoking these classes. So here in the main method, I have created the objects of a particular rectangle and circle, and I'm calling the particular methods of shape, call shape and draw method respectively. And this is how we will have to create the instantiate the uh, how we will create the object of abstract classes. One more thing to notice is that you cannot create a shape object here. So the shape is an abstract class, so you cannot instantiate the shape class. Even though it is abstract classes doesn't have any instantiation, but it can have constructors in the code. So abstract classes can have constructors, and let us see the output of this program. Here you can see the output as came. The area formula for rectangle and circle is getting printed. And that's how this abstract class concept is. And now let us see another program based on abstract classes. Now let us see an example in which there is an abstract class without any abstract methods. So here you can see I have created a cup class. So the cup class is an abstract class. It doesn't have any abstract methods, but it still will be an abstract class if you declare with the abstract keyword. So the purpose of this class is that you always has to extend this class. You cannot use this class directly. Always you have to extend the class, and then you have to create an implementation of this class, and then only you will be able to use the particular class. So here we will go to the implementation of this particular class. So here we can see this is our class, and this is the implementation of the particular class, which is cup class will extend the glass cup will extend the cup class and provide an implementation. Here I am overriding the clean method and providing an implementation of the clean method. So like that we can override the particular non-abstract methods also by using this inheritance relationship. Now let us see the output of this program. So here you can see it is printing the message. The overridden code is printed for the clean method. So this is how abstract classes can have non-abstract all the methods non-abstract, and still it will work. So now let us wind up this lecture. In this lecture we are seeing about abstract classes in Java, which allows abstraction to occur in Java. So we can hide the if you are not having an implementation of a particular method, you can make that particular method an abstract method, and make the particular class an abstract class, and make the users to other users to implement your particular abstract class, and then provide implementation of the class of your particular abstract class, and then use the class. You cannot use directly an abstract class, you cannot instantiate a abstract class, but you can provide an implementation by extending the particular abstract class and then overriding its methods to create the particular implementation. So that's how abstract classes are there in Java. Thank you for watching this lecture.